love and tell me who. Say my name, say my name. Say my name is around you. Baby, I love you. Say my name, say my name. Kinda shady, keep calling me baby.
All right, hey you guys, welcome to my channel. So I've got a new unit from Ashimary Hair. This is their 13x6 frontal unit. Y'all, they have made the upgrades with this unit with their Wear and Go series. The hair is beautiful, but they've done everything for you. They've given you the largest frontal area to do multiple styles with. It's deep parting on the front and the sides, you guys. Also, they've bleached the knots, they've plucked the hairline, they've done all the work, you guys, and I was definitely ready to pop this on. So they've also upgraded the lace on this, so it's a lot thinner, which means it's going to melt so much better into your skin. So I'm just using a little bit of hairspray on this unit. You do not need any glue. It can be completely glueless. So to prep this unit, all I'm going to do is just pluck the hairline a little bit more. It's personal preference. You do not have to do this. Trust me, they pluck the hairline for you. I just wanted mine thinned out a little bit more, and honestly, y'all, it probably took me less than 3 minutes to pluck because I didn't pluck a lot. It just wasn't needed. So you'll see me do that, but if you just want to just go ahead and go, not do anything extra, this is how it's going to look. So you do not have to do this next step that I'm about to show you guys, which is, of course, like I said, plucking the hairline. And then once I get that all situated how I want it, then we'll start laying these edges. All right, so I got my edges cut. Y'all have to use this Laura Mercier powder. I'm going to put my exact shade down below. It's something about it that blends so well when it comes to wearing a wig. I was using my Fenty, but I switched over to this randomly, just like pulled it out, and I love it. So I'm gonna link that down below. Of course, I will link the details, and the direct link to this unit will be there as well. But y'all, I'm just gonna lay my edges real fast. Like, you don't need to do a lot. I am, because I just felt like it this day. I've been loving me some exaggerated kind of like edges lately, so I'm taking my even lace foam mousse, whatever this stuff is called. One other thing, I also like them to be messy lately, like not super messy edges, but like kind of on the messier side. I don't want them super uniform. I know it's going to look that way, but as the day went on and as they dried and this and that, I kind of ended up messing them up a little bit more, just because I just think it looks more natural. I like more of that wispy look when it comes to my hairline, but I gotta get them molded and set first. But y'all, give me 2 seconds, just keep watching. Y'all are gonna see just how freaking good my hairline turned out. Like, when I tell you the lace was melted, the baby hairs were hairing, it was, it's so good, so good. Y'all, look how good this came out. Oh my goodness. Like, you can definitely tell the difference in the lace. It definitely melts so easily. You will not have a problem with just a little bit of hairspray or a little bit of just mousse too, and you should be good to go. So here we are, y'all. It's time to finish up this look. Let's go ahead and style this hair. I'm taking my wax stick, okay, and I'm gonna take my hot comb. I have a love-hate relationship with using my hot comb with curly hair like this, because I hate how the top always looks so straight. So I try my best. I try my best today to not go far down too much, but I definitely needed the hair to be a little bit flatter at the top, which is why I had to pull out the combo. And then next, y'all, I'm actually using this like honeycomb curl or something like that. Y'all see in just a second, but it's so good. It was my first time using it on like wavy curly hair, this kind of texture, and it came out, the curls just came out really, really good, you guys. So this is it. I will add this to the list of links that I'm about to put down there. Y'all, let me tell you, this video, this hair session, I was jamming some old school Danny Kane, and let me tell y'all, they were one of my favorite groups. I put that on Alexa, it was just singing my heart away. But anyways, y'all, all I did was add some water, add the curl cream or whatever it's called, and make sure it's nice, not super drenched, but make sure everything is coated very well. And then I'm just going to finger curl like the ends of the hair just to get them to clump up a little bit more and give me a little bit more definition. And that's basically all I did as far as styling goes. The hair is so pretty. I'm gonna show you guys in the end as well, like how it would look maybe like 30 minutes or 20 minutes or so when it's still drying versus how it's fully dry. So keep on watching. So final touches here, y'all. I'm just adding some powder to my part just to define it a little bit more, and also on the sides. And then I'll end up adding a little bit more bronzer once I change my shirt and all that kind of stuff. Add a little bit more bronzer to my hairline so that everything blends really well. And then of course, lift up my little baby hairs because y'all know I don't like them sticking to my forehead, making them a bit more messy, a little bit more wispy. And yeah, y'all, fluffed out the hair. And so this is how the hair looks. It's not fully dry yet, but it came out so freaking cute. I do want to show you guys how to use the tape that they sent as well, just in case you're not into like all the hairsprays and stuff. You've got a different option, so stay tuned to the very end. But yeah, you guys, so this is how it looks when it's fully dry. So thank you guys so much for watching. Y'all make sure you check the description box. Everything will be linked down below for you. And like I said, for the double-sided tape, you guys, I would definitely use them on the ear tabs for added security, especially if you plan to keep your wig on. So you could either apply the tape directly to your skin, just make sure you wipe off any residue from your previous like hairspray or whatever, apply the tape and then stick it down. It's very self-explanatory because it's double-sided. Or you can apply it directly to the lace and then apply it to your skin that way. So you've got some options to make this a very easy and simple install. So yeah, that's it, you guys. I hope you guys enjoy this video just as much as I always enjoy making them for you. This hair is beautiful. It came out so freaking good. Thank you guys for watching. I'll talk to you in my next video. Bye.